Struggling to create eye-catching book covers? You are not alone. In this video, I will show you how to design stunning book covers using AI tools. I'll walk you through a step-by-step process. These are some book covers I created with the AI. As you can see, they are so beautiful. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do so now. Step 1. Have your book title, subtitle and pen down. So after having these things down, you will now head over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, the prompt you are seeing on my screen. Give me a prompt for a book cover titled Greece Travel Guide 2024, and the author name is Janet Denalo. Let me copy it and we head up to ChatGPT. So I've copied. Then I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to input the prompts I copied because we want a more detailed prompt from ChatGPT that I'll be using in Ideogram. Okay. ChatGPT this AI have generated the prompt to be using in Ideogram. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to head over to Ideogram. We are now at Ideogram and we are going to create the magic here. If you don't have this Ideogram account before, you can sign up to get started. So I'm going to come to this plus icon you are seeing here. We're going to click on it. After clicking on it, it's going to bring something like this for us. Then we are going to paste our prompt here and we're going to click on generate. Can you see? Like, so cute. So cute. See this. Wow, this Greece travel guide is so beautiful. Okay, there's no text on this one. You can even use the image. So let's try another prompt. Let's go back. Let's try another prompt. So let's try a cookbook. Let's try for a cookbook. Let's copy this one and let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, let me click this and paste. If you know that you don't like what ChatGPT is giving you, you can as well add the type of font you want, the type of color you want in your book cover. That's very simple. So I'll copy this one and I'm going to go into Ideogram and we're going to see what is going to generate for us. So I'm going to select all of these on and paste. Okay. So let's see. Let's see the magic it's going to create. Wow, I love this. Like this kind of book cover now, you can just take this to Canva and put a element on it, change the color, change some words. You are good to go. So if you want to download this book cover, you just come here to this side, this three icon, then you're going to click on it. If you click on it, you're going to see download. You click on download, then you're going to download the JPEG. If you want to download the PNG, it is until you have a paid version of this Ideogram. So let's click on JPEG to download. So I think it has already downloaded. Let me check okay, yes. Can you see? Let me open it. Can you see? Perfect for your book cover. Just go to Canva, and if you know that you want something that is going to, like, you want it to write something you want, make sure your prompt is very important in generating this book cover. Make sure you do this until you get your desired results. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.